that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Now I do want to say that I had an absolute blast making this video. So if you guys want to see more lookbooks on companies like JayCeeYG or whatever you guys want to see, don't forget to like and share this video. Also, don't forget to use my discount code, which is JayCeeY10. That'll give you a 10% off your overall orders over at Mnml. Now please don't forget to share and subscribe to the channel, because we are so close to 1,000 subscribers. So help me make it happen and join the crew. Until next time.